High control. Okay. Right, this head goes to destination ADC 243 FIC 0. हाथ को देखिए तो वहीं पर शॉट चल रही है. External variable left leg.
Flying at different parts of the country poses different challenges. However, flying in northeastern part of the country has major challenges of terrain and weather. Weather इसलिए हो जाता है क्योंकि बहुत सारे एयरक्राफ्ट एक साथ एक ही बेस से एयरबॉर्न होते हैं और वेदर ख़राब होते ही it is timely decision to land back all the aircraft safely. Also, once we get airborne, we get to see various hills and mountains. But it becomes difficult to fly when the weather is also adverse. So we are trained adequately to fly in such parts of the country and execute our missions. Taking part in exercises involving large number of forces is always a thrilling experience. Every fighter pilot lives just to have the experience of flying the operational role. We always believe in the motto of the more you sweat in peace, the less you bleed in war. इसलिए हम इन अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ का इंतज़ार करते हैं कि हम अपना मेटल शो कर सकें. अदर देन दैट, आवर पायलट्स आर ऑलवेज रेडी टू फ्लाई व्हाटएवर द मिशंस आर गिवन टू देम.
All fasteners are in
Main rotor blade.
ये है भारतीय वायुसेना का एडवांस लाइन हेलीकॉप्टर जो कि दुनिया के सबसे ऊंचे युद्ध क्षेत्र सियाचिन से लेकर अरुणाचल की ऊंची पहाड़ियों को उड़ान भरता है. लेकिन इसके एक खास पहलू से हम आपको रूबरू करवाते हैं.
There have been brilliant women before this who have broken the glass ceiling and paved the way for us to achieve our dreams and to help us achieve our goals and serve our nation. The training in the Indian Air Force is always is at par, and be it woman or man who's taking part in this, they are treated on equal footing, and we go through the same stringent methods and preparation as each other. So if I have to say that there's an elite group, I would actually say that the Indian Air Force in itself is as elite as it can get, where the best of the best fighter pilots and officers are here to serve our purpose and serve our nation with purpose and dedication. The training per se is certainly difficult initially. However, it requires a certain standard of commitment, resilience and grit. Right from the get-go, we are trained to toughen ourselves, and with time, with the able guidance and support of our instructors and our colleagues, we achieve these standards to the best of our capabilities. इससे पहले जब हम एकेडमी जाते हैं तब we initially start off on a turboprop aircraft, where we are taught basic flying skills and maneuvers. Thereafter, we advance onto intermediate fighters, and thereafter, now we fly advanced fighter jets, which are state-of-the-art aircraft. What runs through our minds is not very different during demanding times, because such operations are an execution of what we practice on a daily basis. Yes, being part of any actual operation is what every fighter pilot in the Indian Air Force trains for, because that's where we can show our original mettle. Our pilots from various bases in the eastern sector are ready to respond in any case of any eventuality. We are always ready for any kind of tasks and challenges that may come upon us.
वो आ गए कहाँ माइक
जैसे लड़ाकू विमान भी उड़ा रही हैं। दुनिया के सबसे ऊंचे युद्ध क्षेत्र आइए